Have you ever felt a tickle in your nose and suddenly, achoo, you sneeze? Sneezing is your body's super fast way of keeping you safe. When tiny things like dust, pollen, or even bits of germs try to sneak into your nose, special cells send a warning to your brain. Your brain quickly helps your body get rid of these unwelcome visitors. It tells your nose, mouth, and chest muscles to work together for a super quick burst of air called a sneeze. The sneeze rushes out, carrying those tiny invaders away before they cause any trouble. It's like your body's own mini cleaning team. So, the next time you sneeze, remember, your body is just protecting you and keeping your nose nice and clean.